You can find just so many videos about small creators' earnings, and some of their wages could blow your mind. This channel with only a couple thousand subscribers making 210 bucks per 1,000 views.
I was shocked.
And then when they end up expanding their audiences, they start earning thousands and hundreds of thousands of dollars. This smaller channel is also kind of successful, but earning only $3 per video?
Not great.
Why is that? It's all about the niche you choose. If you want to start your cash cow YouTube channel, how to find a well-paying niche? It all depends on whether and how much advertisers are willing to place advertisements on your videos. Which brings me to the highest paying niches on YouTube, ranging from $13 per 1,000 views in the online money making niche to only $1.40 in the gaming niche. Here are some highest paying niches on YouTube: affiliate marketing, digital marketing, personal finance, education, etc. The channel mentioned earlier was Paige Bruton, making videos in the finance niche. The CPM, which is how much money you earn per 1,000 views, is dependent on the video's length, allowing for mid-roll ads, audience demographics, and as already mentioned, the advertiser's will to put up ads on your vids. But wait, you still have to create a couple videos and a channel, right? Here's a super quick tutorial on the production side of creating a channel that will start bringing in passive income in just a couple months, if you actually try. Create your channel along with a banner, a profile pic, and enable verification in order to be able to add custom thumbnails on your videos. Find free or paid video editing software and practice for some time in order to master out your skill. When starting, I would mostly recommend the very capable yet free version of DaVinci Resolve. Come up with evergreen video ideas. Wait, what? Evergreen content is videos that will perform well even in 5 or 10 years, since if you want this to be a passive business, you need videos getting views even after many years. When starting out, willing to grow as fast as possible, in my opinion, you should not come up with your own video ideas and thumbnail ideas. Of course, there is room for customization and personal preference. You definitely do not want to steal. What you want to do is look for what works best in your niche. Based on that, you can create really well performing videos straight from the beginning. Write an engaging video script in a similar style to the many videos you have already watched. Remember to make an attention-grabbing intro and then create an appealing title. You can use some kind of catchy phrases and implement elements that cause some emotion or feeling. Think this over, since you do not want to waste your hard work's potential only due to some bad title. Next, for the recording, grab any kind of microphone, make a voiceover, or record yourself speaking out what you wrote beforehand. In terms of editing, try to make it fast-paced with a consistent style, and again, you can apply methods and stuff you have perhaps seen on YouTube. There are many tutorials to learn from online, so don't wait. Creating a thumbnail is first of all really important, and second of all a skill you will need some time to master out. But here's just a couple tips. Be sure to make eye-catching thumbnails. Some eye-catching colors like yellow, blue, red will also help. Also, get inspired from other creators, it's nothing to be ashamed of. A great free program to start designing thumbnails is Canva or GIMP. Remember to make a thumbnail in a 1280 by 720 resolution. Now that you have your video, go ahead and post it. Don't worry about the tags and different settings, since mostly it won't have an impact on how your video performs. Remember about the title, thumbnail, and then post. Okay, so now I have a channel, a video, but how do I start earning money? Well, monetizing a YouTube channel on average takes a year. The partner program requirements are 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. If you carefully listen to the next few tips, you might get monetized significantly faster. Be consistent with your videos, so just create a schedule for when you're going to post. I recommend anything from 2 videos a week to 1 video every 2 weeks. Remember, the more you post, the higher a chance of a viral video. Another tip is to monitor progress and learn from mistakes. 2 statistics you should focus on the most are the click-through rate of your thumbnail, which essentially means how many % of people clicked on the video after seeing your thumbnail, the higher the better, and the audience retention. Both of them can be found in the YouTube studio in the analytics of every video. How to change this into a passive income source? Well, after some time, you will 100% have at least a couple videos that get views even after a couple months or years. That's the first passive income source. But what about something else? You can also reinvest money back into your channel, pay video editors to edit videos, make thumbnails, etc. That way you'll put in way less work while still making money.